welcome back for my final morning report chart appraisal with me, Rich Market Analyst at Markets on Friday, 30th of June. Looking at gold, gold's still consolidating, isn't it, between these two sort of pivot levels, 1240 and 1261. Just putting marginal pressure towards the lows of those. You can see sort of across the last sort of few weeks there is a trend of lower highs, and you've got the momentum indicators which are sort of mildly bearishly biased, or sort of RSI low 40s, MACD lines marginally below neutral, stochastics still negatively configured. You wouldn't really want to be necessarily calling that a strong signal, as the sort of stochastics creep above 20. But looking at this hourly chart, you'd say again, momentum indicators mildly negatively configured. RSI failing in the sort of 60 to mid 60s, going below 30. That tends to be sort of more of a drifting lower market, and it's sort of putting pressure on the 1240 level now. 1240 has been breached again yesterday. 1239.10 was the low before a rebound, but you'd still say that 1240 support is broadly intact, isn't it? I mean, these are all intraday sort of little looks below 1240 without a close, and again, sort of a little minor sort of drift back below. To 1240 has sort of taken on a bit more buying impact today. So it's still holding. A close below 1240, I think you then open 1216, but for now, I think you've sort of got to treat this as a range play still, with a marginal sort of propensity to sell rather than sort of being more positive within that range. I'd say sort of I'd rather be sort of selling rallies within the range rather than buying into the weakness. But yeah, I think it is still a range play nonetheless. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you next week. Thank you.